Begin in a tabletop position on a comfortable surface, with your knees directly under your hips and your hands directly under your shoulders. Keep your spine in a neutral position with your head in line with your spine, looking downward at the floor. Extend one arm forward and the opposite leg backward at the same time. Make sure that both your arm and leg are straight and level with your body, not lifting higher or sagging below the torso line. Engage your core muscles to maintain balance and stability. Avoid letting your hips sag or rotate, keeping them parallel to the floor throughout the movement. Hold the extended position for a moment, focusing on creating length from your extended fingertips to your toes. Slowly return your hand and knee to the starting tabletop position without allowing your torso to sway or your hips to shift to one side. Repeat the movement with the same arm and leg. Perform the prescribed amount of reps on one side before switching to the other side. Bird dogs are an excellent exercise for activating and strengthening the core muscles, including the abdominals and lower back. They also work the shoulders and glutes while challenging your balance. Regular use of this exercise in your routine can lead to improved stability, back pain relief, and enhanced coordination. As always, don't push past any pain and remember to breathe.